You contemplate my picture with compassion. You ask yourself why this should have to be.
Your eyes well up again with tears of pity,
while I'm in fear of what tomorrow holds for me.
But I was also born a son of parents, and I've heard it said we're all God's children too.
We're brothers, you and I, to one another.
Why can't I have the right to live like you?
I have seen the politicians flying visits as they shake their heads so solemn and so wise.
And I saw a priest kneel down and pray to heaven. Before passing by, he couldn't meet my eye.
Ein Papi Verieni Ac mi glywais dweud bod pawb yn blant I Dduw. Rwy'n brawd I ti a ti fain brawd I mi. Brawd I mi, na'i o pan a Papi Veri hawl I ni.
I lost my dad one night, my man one morning,
And now I'm left to suffer all alone.
Ond pen ganlwyd I nain Papi Verieni Ac mi glywais dweud bod pawb yn blant I Dduw. Rwy'n brawd I ti a ti flaen brawd I mi. Brawd I mi, na'i o pan a Papi Veri hawl I ni.
But I've heard some people talk of better mountains, and I've heard some people talk about milk lakes. But I know that you are Christians, and you'd never. There's so much wholesome food